Hello friends, Alexa Borota here. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I am in my 10th year of teaching English language arts. Whew, time flies. Needless to say, I've learned a thing or two about time management for teachers and engaging activities for students. As I'm sure you know, we live in a digital age, but teachers are not always allotted the amount of time necessary to get to know digital tools. And that brings me to the Whiteboard S1. I love this board. It is the most effortless yet transformative board I have used thus far. Whenever I use this board, I honestly just feel like I'm using a simplified version of my iPhone. It is so easy to use. My grandma could figure it out. Well, it depends on which grandma. Let's start off with some physicalities of the board. You're looking here at a 55-inch 4K touchscreen in white. It includes a 4K AI camera. The board moves around quite easily because it sits on a portable stand. It comes with 2 stylus pens. By the way, best pens I've ever used. Let me just tell you what is on the stylus. First of all, at the bottom here, when you push this and hold down, it erases whatever you write. It's its own eraser. And then there are 2 other buttons on it as well. It goes from one page to the next. So it's so cool. I love the stylus. You can't feel how nice it feels on my fingertips. I feel right now as if I am writing on paper. Now let's say you're like me and your handwriting is pretty much atrocious. Sometimes you, at the end of your lesson, look at the board and go, how did anybody take notes today? I'll just take a simple hello and tap it with my finger. There it is. And if I need to make it real big, hello. Let's say I want to create a quick triangle. I just love that. A square. It's so simple to delete. You just click these little lines, circle whatever it is you would like to delete. I do not want the square. Goodbye. I can easily create a chart or graphic organizer right in front of my students with my students.
I really do just love how only the most essential tools are located on the toolbar. Making annotations right on the text has never been easier, and I really appreciate these other features such as the post-it feature, the shapes, the arrows, because it allows me to create easy graphic organizers right there on the board with my students.
So at the beginning of the school year, my students take an Enneagram test or a personality test, and we do some analysis with that. But first, before they take the quiz or the test, we discuss the pros and cons of personality tests. Look how easy this is. If I like, I can have a student come to the board, choose a post-it, whichever color they like. You can just write, and it's AI technology will pick it up. Go just like that. You can upload anything that you have, anything, whether it be from your computer, which I personally don't use. I use Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, etc. So I can just go right ahead into my Google Drive, back to school, and I could go ahead and work right from this board. It's really nice. And if I kind of want to get this out of the way, I can work on something else over here. The Whiteboard S1 has a really cool split screen feature that I love because sometimes I feel like if I'm moving from one task to another on the board, that my back is turned towards my students way too much. If I were doing this in front of my class, maybe I would ask my students, what type are you? Maybe a student would volunteer and say, I am the number 4. And then maybe we could scroll to number 4. And I ask that student, are you an individualist? You could also play a video. You can even annotate on a video while also completing a graphic organizer or looking at an anchor chart. And with the split screen comes students being able to work together on different screens in front of the class by themselves. The split screen feature is definitely one of my favorites. It is so easy to upload and share. Let's say that we have just taken notes together as a class and I want to share them either with myself or most likely with my students. I would just click on this little share button. You can send it directly to their email address. That's one way. Or the way that I prefer, save it to a folder. I see down here that I saved it to a folder. Now I go over to Google Classroom. This is the platform that I personally use to connect with my students. Right then and there, right in front of the class, takes little to no time at all. I have just shared and everyone has just witnessed that I have just shared the notes, and so there's no excuse for you not to know how to do it. Now technically, teachers, we can do all of this from the back of the classroom or from our desks if we so choose, because I can actually connect very easily my laptop or my cell phone and everything just goes right to the board. As long as you're connected to Wi-Fi, you're good. You're going to find this hard to believe. There are no tricks, there are no gimmicks. You have access to over 100 educational apps free of charge through this board. Free of charge. And if they do not have it, you can go and download it on your own. It only takes a few seconds, just like on your phone. Also shoot them a message and let them know that you would like to see an app appear in their store, and they'll do it. It's super user-friendly. And you guys, my summer read? Currently reading this one right now. I have Duolingo, Jamboard, Canva, I've got my Google Calendar, Pear Deck, PowerPoint, Google Slides, Netflix, YouTube, Calm. This is awesome. The board can do it all, and everything is as quick and sped up as it would be on your phone. With all of these apps, there's just no need to spend extra time uploading and downloading materials. Just like my phone, I can click on anything, Google Slides. On my slides, Google Docs. Oh, I already had a doc open. Google Earth looks pretty cool, so I'm gonna click on Google Earth. Let's say we are researching Mexico. Kind of feel like a news anchor or something. Let's say you have 30 minutes to work on a project. Yeah. As long as your students have the Vibe Canvas app downloaded to their phone, they can connect with your whiteboard in seconds using the QR code.
I mean, just one scan of a QR code and they are on your Canvas whiteboard interacting with you in class in real time. And if you don't want them on their cell phones, they could also just enter a code into their laptops and work from their laptops.
And if you would like to purchase the Whiteboard S1, you can do so at this link or check the description box. The link will be there as well. And make sure you enter the code Teaching with Alexa 100 for $100 off of your board. We're always looking for ways to uplevel our teaching practices, our schools, our student engagement. The Whiteboard S1, I feel, checks all of those boxes. Thanks for watching, friends. See you next time.